What's going on? It's Steve here. Hope you're doing just fantastic today. This is a 3-minute guitar lesson. You ready? We're going to learn this song really fast. It's Take Me Home, Country Roads by John Denver. You know, way back from, I think, the 70s. Let's give it a shot here. I've got a capo on the 2nd fret, and we're going to play it in a G major. So it's a G major shape, capo on the 2nd fret. So it goes like that. Almost Heaven, E minor, that's E minor, West Virginia, D major, Blue Ridge Mountains, C major, that's Shenandoah River to the G. And then it goes in that famous chorus, Country Roads, that's a G, D major, to the place, E minor, I belong, C major. So one more time, West Virginia, G, D, except this time it goes Take Me Home, C major, Country Roads, G. Then it has a whole verse and a whole chorus again. And then the bridge goes like this, E minor, I heard you call, to the D major, to the G, C, G major, D major. So that part so far is like this. And it goes back down to E minor. Now we go this F major, and then it goes, I get a feeling, C, that I should have G yesterday, and it stays out on D, right there. So, if you want to get a little tricky, play a D7th. It's basically taking a D major and moving this note down 2 frets right here, which means you need to play this. So I'll play the whole bridge one more time. Ready? It goes like this. I hear a voice. That's E minor to D major to, that should go to G. I hear a voice to G major. The C major, radio, G major reminds me of my D major far away, and then E minor, F major, C major, G, and then D. And then if you want to do this, that's that D7th right there. And then it goes to Country Roads, Take Me Home, to the place I belong, West Virginia, Mountain Mama, and all this stuff and all that outro. So you're ready to go. Country Roads by John Denver in under 3 minutes, I think. I don't have a timer on. Don't get mad at me if I went over a little bit. You can leave it in the comments and rage on me. All right, like, subscribe, share, all that great stuff, and I'll catch you next time. Later.